Yeah, there's still some tension on the right side, but yeah. Ooh, look at that. That feels amazing. What has happened to you? This is great. No, that's awesome. Put my hands right here in a second. We're going to have you put your hands right on mine. So put your hands right on mine. Up on 3. Okay. You ready here? Let's get it. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Chin down for me. We're going to go all the way back. Wow, look how much better the mid back's even moved. We've still got a little rotation to the left, but overall, wow, that's great. Let's bring back like this here. Okay. Got this there. Good. Same thing here. Oh. Very good. Tina, let's get your breath in and blow out, please. Let it go. Let it go, 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 let it go. Good. It's good through there. Tina, small breath and then hold, please. In, hold, exhale, relax. Just another, please. Breath in and hold. Exhale, relax. Good. This is going to drop back, forward, down, just like this here, okay? That kind of right through here, okay? So, my goodness. Let's get you on your back. Face up. That's something awesome. This, is let this just kind of drop and relax here. So kind of just like this, nice and light. There it goes. Let's let this just kind of fall back. And there it is. Yes, ma'am. Lift here. Okay. I'm going to tilt you barely back. Okay. Come with me here. Let's see. Good? Good. Just kind of really relax just here. Yeah, and then just kind of try to let that go. It's just going to be back kind of like this here. Yeah, just there. Okay. There it goes.
Yeah.
Nice. I'm going to check this guy too. Same kind of thing here. Let this go, yeah. Okay, cool. Christina, how does that feel?
Great.
Yeah? I